Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off two-factor authentication on Margex application. While two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, there might be situations where you need to temporarily disable it, so in that case, we'll walk you through the process. First of all, launch open your Margex application or your website and log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Margex, go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Google Authentication under Security. And then, on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter a verification code from your registered email address in the first field. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and open the email from Margex. Copy the code inside your email, get back to the Margex app and paste it in. Now go to Enter 2FA Code tab, open up your Google Authenticator app and copy the Margex code. Get back to the text box and paste in the code and tap on Disable 2FA. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to turn off Google two-factor authentication on Margex. So that is how you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on Margex application. Disabling two-factor authentication makes your account less secure. Only turn it off if necessary and consider re-enabling it later to protect your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.